Welcome to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. Well, it's been a huge week for Australia's HVAC and R industry. As expected, ARBS 2024 has broken new records with more than 350 exhibitors and up to 10,000 visitors taking part in the three-day event. CCN caught all the action from the trade show floor in videos which have been published on CCN online. There were so many product announcements. We will publish a special ARBS review edition of CCN in July. There was also a lot of industry news with Daikin confirming it has commenced work on another Sydney factory which will be operational next year. CCN actually began the week by hosting a roundtable dealing with the challenges of heat pump deployment. We had international participants who were able to provide a global perspective. Participants included Steve Urich, who is the president of the Air Conditioning, Heating and Refrigeration Institute in the United States. We also had Russell Patton, the Director General of the European Partnership for Energy and the Environment. Covering the local market was Stuart Kirkwood from Train Technologies and Mark Padwick of Wilson Heat Pumps. The roundtable will be published in August. LG Electronics hosted a summit in South Korea this week to bolster the company's leadership in Asia. The summit was attended by 46 HVAC consultants from Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, the Philippines and Vietnam. LG said the first of its kind event will help the company expand its business in the world's most rapidly expanding HVAC market. With its high growth potential, Asia has emerged as a key market for the expansion of LG's HVAC business, the company said. In 2023, LG announced plans to more than double the sales volume of its residential and commercial HVAC business by 2030. Lennox and Samsung have formed a joint venture to sell ductless air conditioning and heat pumps in the United States and Canada. The joint venture will be called Samsung Lennox HVAC North America. Samsung has been a global brand for 40 years, while Lennox is an original equipment manufacturer with direct distribution all over North America. Lennox said the joint venture is part of their growth strategy. Samsung CEO KS Choi said the companies will bring new solutions to market for the growing ductless segment. The joint venture will be operational in the second half of this year, which is when Lennox will purchase VRF and multi-splits from the joint venture. Headquarters for the new company will be based in Texas. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.